So guys, in my previous video, I just forgot to tell you that in maps view we can how to delete the data. Let's say um, let's say there is a map and this map is X and we have to delete something here, and let's say we have to delete a key name, right? And then if you print it, okay, where I'm writing, just one thing. See, the first one, we have successfully deleted the maps. So welcome guys to the channel. Today I'll be starting with arrays, and the previous part I just thought of making this video after the deletion part, because deletion is also important. So that's why I created that. Yes, so arrays basically, uh, you know, if you have seen list in Python, arrays and slices are similar in Go language. There are few differences in arrays and slices, but it is very similar. So what is an array? Array basically, if you have seen in C language, array is nothing but a collection of memory, like a 1 2 3 4, like this. It is memory is allocated and you can just add some values to it, right? So how to define an array here? Let's say array I'll call people. Okay, people is the name of the array, and let's say I am adding 10, and let's say this is a string. Okay, so here if I add, let's say 0, in the 0th index, if I add Amit, in the first index I'll add Nayal. Okay, and I'll try to print it. Let's see what we get. Yeah, so what we got is first and then Nayal. Okay, and there is some memory also available, so which means we have not used that memory. And in array, the biggest difference between slices and array is this only: here the memory is already allocated. Okay, so if you do it like this, people, let's say fourth value you want to add something, let's say 10. Okay, you will see this gap, which means that there is some values inside this which is blank. Okay, so this is how our array looks like in Go language. You can also define an array like this. I'll just show it to you. Instead of doing it like this, you can do it like this. Amit, Nayal, 10. Okay, I'm really sorry. See, This is how also we can define the values in arrays. Okay, and you all know array starts with the 0th position and slices also start with the 0th position. So what are slices? Slices are nothing but an upgrade to an array, right? Array can be written like this. We cannot add values later on. Let's say if we are adding the 11th value, it will throw an error that it is, you know, more than the length of the declared, right? But in slices what happens is you don't have to declare anything. We can just do it like this. People equals to append what? People comma, let's say one, okay, let's say Amit comma Nayal, right? See, so this is slices. Also in slices, let's say if we are not doing append, if we want people one, I want to pass it will give an error index out of range 1 with length 0, right? Because we have not defined, like in earlier we have in dictionary, what we did in maps, we created a map using make keyword. Similarly here also we'll be using a map make keyword like this. Make, okay, how many times? 3 times. Let's say 3 should be the length, so 0 should be Ahmed, 2 3, okay. Okay, this came. But let's say if we are adding one more value to it, what will happen? What do you guys think? Will it take? No, right? It gave an error saying that index out of range. So what happens is, this is a default way of adding the values. But instead of this, if you do like this, append people comma Tim comma Jim, see, it has taken it. So what happens is, this is default allocation of memory, while this append here will reallocate the memory to it. It has added the value. So hope you have understood a basic thing about slices, arrays. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe the video, and I'll be very much happy if you'll, subscribe and like the channel, so that it gives me motivation to make more such videos. Thank you.